get lost looking in your eyes, a little shook up at the sight of you. It gets me every time. And when I'm swimming against the tide, you're throwing me a line, pulling me back to you.
Malsha has been a friend of mine for the last 15 years when we were studying at St. Lawrence's Convent. 4 girls did everything together and enjoyed our lives to the maximum. මල්ෂට මතකද ඉස්කෝලේ තිබ්බ පැෂන් ෆෘට් වල? මල්ෂ ටිකක් බය වුණාද වන්දා? මතකද මල්ෂ අපි එකේ පැෂන් ෆෘට් ගෙඩි කටපු විදිය? ඉතින් මල්ෂ තමයි අපේ හැම දඟ වැඩක්ම ප්ලෑන් කරන්නේ. ඉතින් මල්ෂා ටීචර් දැන් ළමයිගේ දඟ වැඩත් ඉක්මනට අල්ලගන්න පුළුවන් ඇති. මොකද එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් උත් තියනවානේ.
We're on the rest of all our days, 'cause the house is just a place, it's forever on with you. Ooh, I got it all right. Ooh, I got it all right. I got it all with you.
She's an intelligent girl from the beginning, had a dream to be a teacher. She used to cling on the fold of sari of the favorite teachers. At present, you may be feeling the same happiness you derived those days when small children cling on your sari.
Tell me, do you stay the same? If you could just see me now, would you believe it now? 'Cause making mistakes spilling over, I'm coming clean in the water. You were just holding out for everything you got now. Come close, you can lean on my shoulder. We're coming clean in the water.
කනිෂ්ක වන මම මල්ෂාවන ඔබ මාගේ භාර්යාවකට භාර ගනිමි. මාගේ මුළු ජීවිත කාලය තුළදීම මම ඔබට ප්‍රේම කරමි. මම ඔබට ගෞරව කරමි. මල්ෂාවන මම කනිෂ්ක වන ඔබ මාගේ ස්වාමිපුරුෂයාට භාර ගනිමි. මාගේ මුළු ජීවිත කාලය තුළදීම මම ඔබට ප්‍රේම කරමි. මම ඔබට ගෞරව කරමි.
I'm coming clean in the water. You were just holding out. I think that you're burning now. Go down and take back your power. We're coming clean in the water. We're gonna take back the power.
As you got the chance of holding the hands of Kanishka, whom you loved and liked from the bottom of your heart, you always had a plan of work, and that was a secret of your success.
Look around and drink it in. I can see it in your eyes, the storm. I know you know stop me from saying you can let in the light and let it show. Let it burn like a fire in your bones. If you're up at night and you're feeling tired and you're barely holding on, you can let in the light and let it show. It's good to have. It's good to have.
I'm happy for you guys. අපේ සෙට් එකෙන් මං හිතන්නේ දෙවනියට යන එක්කෙනා කණියට දෙයක් දුන්නොත් ඉතින් ආය බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ කියන එක ෆික්ස් ඩිපොසිට් එක දැම්මා වගේ තමයි. කනිෂ්ක මල්ෂාව බලා ගන්න. Happy wedded life guys.